Hey guys, Nathan from REV Rides, excited to tell you about our new mirrors. These will fit any handlebar that has an internal diameter of 14 millimeters up to 18 millimeters. Let's check it out. In your box, you're gonna have 2 mirrors. You'll also have 2 internal handlebar clamps, 2 different size sleeves. So if you're a 13 or 14 millimeter ID, this is the one you need. Put this other one over top, making sure the split is on the inside of the handlebar. You'll slide this into the handlebar and tighten the screw and it'll clamp inside. It also includes a couple Allen wrenches for your installation. Let's go check it out on a bike. First thing you want to do is take off the end cap on your handlebars or cut a hole in your rubber grips, depending upon which kind of handlebars you have. Now tighten your hand grip down again. All right, you're gonna wanna open up this screw on the mirror all the way. So depending upon which side of the handlebar you're gonna mount this, you'll need to turn this to either the left side of the handlebar or the right side of the handlebar. This clamp would always bolt in from the top, but have it on this side for the right handlebar and over here for the left handlebar. Now we're gonna insert it in here. I'm gonna do this one for the left handlebar. Clamp that down. You don't have to get it super tight yet. We'll tighten up everything on the bike. First step on the bike is we're gonna insert this in here and tighten that clamp. If it feels like it's just spinning, what you're gonna need to do is take it back out and hold this until you get the wedge so it starts gripping the inside of the handlebar and allows you to finish tightening it. Get that orientation where you want it, and then get it nice and tight. Next, grab your smaller Allen wrench. We're gonna put this out to the side. These mirrors can be mounted to the side to get you a little bit wider view. They can be mounted vertical to get you a little bit narrower so you're going through a doorway, or you can turn it like this, get you a sleek view but still wide enough to see. And that's all it, guys. I hope you enjoy your new mirrors.